When it comes to finding the right doctor for your cosmetic procedure, what training they've had and what board certifications they have can be very confusing. In this video, we'll review a few physicians' websites to help give you an idea of what to look for. So, on to the review of cosmetic doctors' websites. Here's a plastic surgeon. Right off the bat, at the top of the page, you see that he's a board-certified plastic surgeon. He even provides you with a copy of his resume. Since he claims to be a board-certified plastic surgeon, where did he do his plastic surgery residency? Okay, it says right here he did his residency at the University of Texas in Galveston. He did additional training, a fellowship in Beverly Hills. Now that we know where he trained, let's look to see where his board certification is from. Here it is, the American Board of Plastic Surgery. There you have it, an example of a doctor that practices plastic surgery, trained as a plastic surgeon, and is board certified in plastic surgery. Let's look at another example. Here's a doctor that specializes in hair restoration. Doctors that train in facial plastic surgery, and dermatology also receive training in hair restoration during their residency. So let's use the same tools we used previously for the plastic surgeon to determine this person's level of training. First, what are they board certified in? Well, it doesn't say. It doesn't even appear that this person finished a residency. So here's a little known secret. As long as a doctor finishes the first year of any residency, they can obtain a medical license. As long as they have a medical license, they can pretty much do anything they want in their office, like hair restoration or Botox or hormone replacement therapies. They can't do heart surgery because you'd have to be in a hospital for that procedure, and a hospital requires that you be board certified in heart surgery for that. So when it comes to cosmetic procedures that can typically be done in the office, you really need to figure out if the doctor is trained in the services they're providing and if they're board certified in that field. This particular doctor isn't doing anything illegal. They have a medical license, but just because the doctor has a license doesn't mean they finished a residency. The extent of their training may only be a weekend course. So again, this person doesn't show evidence of a completed residency nor any board certification. Here's another example. This doctor finished medical school and did a surgical internship. This is exactly what I was referring to before. An internship means they did 1 year of residency, just enough to get a medical license. But he didn't finish his surgery residency, and for that reason isn't board certified in surgery. A typical surgery residency is at least 5 years long, so he's 4 years shy. However, he mentions that 1 year of general surgery to give more credibility to the idea of calling himself a cosmetic surgeon. So again, no residency training in his field of specialization, and therefore no board certification. Now, here's someone that says he's a dermatologist. Using what we've learned, we see he completed a dermatology residency, practices dermatology, and is board certified by the American Board of Dermatology. Notice how straightforward a doctor's website is when they're officially certified in what they do. There's no searching, no mystery. To make things even harder for the consumer, there are new board certifications out there that aren't recognized in the medical community. If you're not sure if a doctor's board certification is legit or not, check out the American Board of Medical Specialties website here. Any board that oversees doctors that go through a legitimate residency training program and become board certified will be included in this site. As you can see here, the American Board of Anesthesiology is a recognized board, just like dermatology, otolaryngology, which is ENT, and plastic surgery. Notice there's no recognized board of cosmetic surgery, since that's a subset under dermatology, plastic surgery, facial plastic surgery, and ophthalmology. It's confusing out there, and I'm afraid some doctors welcome the confusion because then you might not recognize their lack of training. So remember, did they complete a residency? Are they board certified by a board recognized by the American Board of Medical Specialties? And are they board certified in the field they're practicing, i.e., what they're treating you for? If there's a doctor's website you're not sure about, leave the website in the comments section below and we can review it for you. We won't say if they're a good or a bad doctor, competent or incompetent, but we can tell you if they're legit based on the tools we've discussed previously. It does make you wonder, why does it have to be so hard to determine the truth? If they're legit, it's easy to figure out. So ask yourself, why would a doctor make their website misleading? If they didn't go through the training and become board certified by a recognized board, why is that? Are they taking a shortcut in training? Will they take a shortcut in your treatment? In the end, you have to look out for yourself. Be safe out there.